Today, for the first sem sociology students, I will discuss nature of sociology. The first element in the nature of sociology is an independent science. So many disciplines like political philosophy, anthropology are the branches of one or the other social sciences. But sociology is not a science which is considered as the branch of any other science. Sociology is an independent science. As an independent science, sociology makes the study of primarily society, social relationships, associations, institutions, caste system, class system, estate system, culture, socialization, social groups. So, as an independent science, sociology makes the study of several elements. The scope of sociology is clearly demarcated. The area of study of sociology is clearly mentioned. So the boundaries of sociology, the scope of sociology are very much clear. So sociology is an independent science. It is not a branch of any other social sciences. As a matter of fact, sociology is having several branches: rural sociology, urban sociology, industrial sociology, sociology of economic life, sociology of languages, medical sociology. Likewise, several branches this discipline of sociology is having. So the first element in the nature of sociology is an independent science. Second one is sociology is a social science and not a physical science. Sciences can be classified into two categories: social sciences and physical sciences. The norms, laws, principles which have been formed by the social sciences are very less exact. It means that when we compare the principles or the laws which have been formulated by the social sciences are less exact compared to the physical sciences. Cent% results we cannot get in the social sciences. If we make any experiments by taking into consideration any system of the society, we cannot get 100% result. That's why, along with sociology, political science, history, psychology, economics, ethics, philosophy, all these are considered as social sciences because principles or the laws of social sciences are less exact. Here, majority carries the point. Whereas physical sciences are having cent% results. Exactness, preciseness is there in the principles and the laws of the physical sciences like physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, and so on. That is why, because of the less exactness, less preciseness, all the sciences For example, sociology, political science, history, economics are considered as social sciences. So sociology is a social science and not a physical science. Next one is sociology is a categorical science. Categorical science means sociology concerns itself. The aim of the sociology is only to find out what it is. That is, only to find out the situation, and after finding out the situation and the conditions, presenting the situations and the conditions in the same manner is the aim or the purpose of the discipline of sociology. That is why sociology is considered as a categorical science. Categorical science is one which only makes the study of situations, conditions prevailing in a particular system of the society. What it is the concern of the sociology and not what should be, what ought to be. But we say that sociology is least bothered about the value judgments. If in a situation, in a particular condition, the wrong activities or the bad activities which are going to affect the society on a larger scale, if are going on there, the main purpose of sociology is to make the study of the situation only. It will not suggest any type of remedial measures for the removal of those types of situations or the conditions, but it will definitely say about the consequences of the conditions. If the condition is good, consequences are also good. If the bad conditions are there, it says that due to the persistence of bad conditions in a particular system, these types of bad consequences are going to happen. Then it is very much possible for the society or the group which is having administration in his or in its hands to remove those problems, to solve the conditions. Next one is sociology is a pure science as well as applied science. Every science, if it is having its applied part, is considered as pure as well as applied one. As a pure science, sociology is more concerned about the acquisition of knowledge. Acquisition of knowledge about the different spheres of the society, different aspects of the society. Once the knowledge is been acquired by the discipline, that the acquired knowledge, if it has been put for the utilization, then it becomes the applied science. For example, in recent years means in some 20-25 years, tremendous changes have occurred in the structure of the family in India, especially due to the existence of the institution of marriage. And in this institution of marriage, lot of changes have occurred. Earlier, that is some 20-25 years ago, any boy or girl wants to marry, he or she was marrying with the consent of the parents and elder members of the family. but the situation has changed now. In some of the so-called modern families, situation has changed. Even today, in traditional families, children are marrying only with the consent of the parents. It is the responsibility of the parents to marry or find a suitable life partner for the girl or boy of the family, in the traditional families only. So in the traditional families, children are leaving this aspect of getting married themselves to the parents only. They are not taking the decisions in respect of marriage. But in modern families, where modern values are there among the members of family, especially among the children, in those families, children are finding their own life partners. And because of this, lot of families are breaking down. After the marriage of only 1 year or 2 years or maximum within 5 years, both the boy and girl who got married on their own interest, they are getting separated in the form of divorce. This is not the good development for the family. This is not a very good development for the society also. So, acquiring knowledge about the changing situations of the family is the main concern of the pure science, and making use of the acquired knowledge for the betterment of the family, for the betterment of the society is applied one. When the acquired knowledge has been applied for the betterment, then that science becomes applied science. So, sociology is both a pure science and a applied science. Next one is, sociology is relatively an abstract science. Abstract means sociology is not an art. Abstract in the sense, sociology is not interested in making the study of any particular revolutions or wars. In general, sociology makes the study of wars. Sociology makes the study of revolutions. If sociology is making the study of wars, it will give its concentration on the study of causes of wars and the consequences of the wars also. But it is not making the study of any particular wars or any particular revolutions. For example, recently war-like situation has occurred in our Indian society between India and Pakistan, India and China. Sociology makes the study of wars in general, not particularly the war between India and Pakistan, war between India and China. It makes the study of wars in general. It makes the study of revolutions in general. That is why the sociology is considered as relatively abstract science, not particularly making the study of some situations or some dangerous situations by which very dangerous situation will be created for the society. Next one is, sociology is a generalizing science and not a individualizing science. Sociology tries to find out the general laws or principles about human interaction and association, about the nature form. It does not study each and every event that takes place in the society. It has been said that in the nature of sociology, sociology is a generalizing science and not a individualizing or particularizing science. For giving any general statements about the system of society, about any group of the society, about any social institution of the society, it is not necessary for sociologists to make the study of each and every aspect which is concerned to that particular social institution. After making a study of only few elements, the sociologists are in a position to make the generalizations. For this, I would like to give you one example. Recently, Lok Sabha elections occurred. Recently means in the year 2019. Lok Sabha elections occurred. In the Lok Sabha election, after the last phase of election, almost all the TV channels, national, regional TV channels, will be having their own exit poll. If in a particular constituency 2 lakh people have voted, 2 lakh people, if they have casted their votes, by taking the sample of only 1000 or 2000, the surveyor is in a position to tell that which candidate win in this constituency. The chances of winning of which candidate is there can be generalized by only assessing 1000 or 2000 votes when more than 2 lakh votes have been casted in that particular constituency. So is the case with every system, group, institutions, associations of the society. By making the study of few, sociologists are in a position to make the generalizations. And as a matter of fact, it is not possible also to make the study of all the institutions. If we want to make the study of changing trends in Indian family, is it possible for us to make the study of each and every Indian family? Not possible. We take some samples from different regions of the India, and by making the in-depth study of those families, we will be in a position to make the generalization about the family system or about that institution of family. Lastly, sociology is a general science and not a special social science. Special social sciences are those which are making the study of any one aspect of the society. History makes the study of past events. Economics makes the study of economic activities or the economic system of the society. Political science makes the study of political activities of the society, but sociology makes the study of society as a whole. That's why sociology is considered as a general social science and other social sciences are considered as special social sciences. So this is the nature of sociology. If you have any doubts, please do call me, get clarified your doubts. Thank you.